Hi guys, we're back. I'm back in the Anglia. Bit of a change of scenery in the garage this time, but we're back to the features. So, I hope you all enjoyed the last Anglia video. It's definitely been the best one on the channel. Since then, there have been changes. We have, when I say we, my dad has been changing this car. Looking to get the power up a wee bit more response from the engine. In all honesty, let's be real, we've been looking for about a quarter-mile time. We have put some mods in place to do it, so I'm going to take a wee drive, and as we're driving down I'll start running some footage of what's been replaced before I run. So I don't know if I've really said on here yet, but we're really spoiled in Scotland, west of Scotland area. We're really friendly with guys at local garages. This time we've chosen to use Mac Motorsport up in Dundee. Now they're new to this car, to be honest, but Russ has previously worked in the Skyline and mapped my car, and he seems to be a safe pair of hands to look over the SR. So went up to Mac Motorsport, 2 days up there. We have changed inlet manifold. The intercooler has also been changed, although you could see that in the last video. We've changed the throttle body. We have redone the pipework. Again, I'm saying we, it's actually my dad. Yeah, so before, the car made 400 horsepower, but there was a lot of trouble with the boost, to be honest. We were seeing less boost on the inlet side of the intercooler, and pretty much after, to be honest, a number of problems. There's been wiring replacements, there's been voltage recorders put all over the car. One of the issues that was narrowed down was the map sensor, so that was replaced, and the main one ish was the intercooler. So We weren't getting the same amount of boost leaving the turbos that was reaching the inlet, which was making everything work too hard for not the return you would expect from that boost. So I'll run a quick rolling road run now, and then I'll release the power. So yeah, impressed now. We're up to 440 horsepower, and would you say now that's ready for the track? Driving wise, I only drove it down the road. It feels great. Great map on it again, great service from the guys at Mac Motorsport. My dad says it drives good on the way home, and yeah, I think now guys, we're ready for the quarter mile. So hope you enjoyed the footage. I want to get this to the racetrack. Do we want to see it against my car? Is that just me kidding on? What we'll try and do is maybe get to Crail first, with the aim obviously of getting to Santa Pod when this has got some proper slicks on it. We'll try and see its full potential. So yeah guys, please keep watching, keep sharing the positivity, and subscribe if you're interested. I promise there'll be a lot more coming, and you never know, the race between this and the GTR might happen sooner than we think. Thanks again guys.